What's up, world? This is ChaoticSonics. For this sound, I'm automating the volume, a low-pass filter, and a pitch tracking EQ with white noise recorded from my preamp. The secret to this sound is the automation I'm doing with Surfer EQ2, and this is what it sounds like without it. And with it. The band is set to harmonic mode, and this is what the automation looks like for that parameter. Also set the time base. I prefer the highest resolution, but it takes up a lot of CPU. After that, a chorus effect and reverb. That's all. If you have any questions, leave a comment or join my Discord for a faster response.